Rudy. It's my friend, our friend, Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz is a good man. You know why? Because he's always thinking about other guys, helping, and a very handsome guy. Thank you for all everything he gave to me for some time. I need money. He's helping to me. So I don't forget this, our friend. We go to the Philippines and stay here, but I'm thinking so much for my friend from Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. 2000.
You have singing.
January.
You have singing something?
Yeah.
Yes.
I have singing for my friend,
Yes.
Voltage 5.
Yes.
I sing first Voltage 5 because I just want to hear you the music of Voltage 5,
Yes.
the Japanese song,
Yes.
before I start sing for
Yes.
Voltage 5, tatandaan, yan ang tatak namin. Pag nakita nyo kami, magtago na kayo. Walang biro, walang biro. Pati na lolo nyo. These lyrics. So I sing for our friend.
Okay.
Si Abdulaziz ay isang kaibigan dito sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Tatatandaan namin si Abdulaziz, mabuting tao, tumutulong kahit kanino.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, enough.
Thank you.